Hello and welcome to another episode of Recon Jeep Mods. Today we're going to talk about roof racks for the XJs. We're going to visit Mahlin Advanced Mechanics because Fredrik has designed a prototype for the XJs and it's been fully welded now, and we're going to test fit it on the roof on my XJ to see that it fits and everything works as planned. So stay tuned after the intro.
Rätt längd på sidan.
Ja.
Om ni fyller på vatten nu så kan vi komma ner och ge dem mat lite senare ikväll. Jaha, okej. Ja, men då får de klara sig tills vi kommer hem.
Innertaket och lagt en utskuren plåt bara som håller ihop lite.
Ja, gå på den där.
Ja, det är det.
Ja, det gör det. Jag tror inte de kan böja sig så mycket så att de blir böjda.
Kolla i taket.
Ja.
Du måste kunna gå på taket. Du måste. Nej, gå tillbaka.
Längs.
Ja, det där är inget fara. Ja, men seriöst vore det nog bra bara. Vi tar en lite snabb tur till Vänge och tillbaka. Jag är ganska bra på att köra på den. Så 118 med kläder eller något sånt där kanske.
Ja, lite.
Spot or flood?
Men kör flood är väl bra, va?
Flood.
Nice, fan vad fint.
And connecting kit.
Nice. Snyggt. We're back home. And I removed the roof rack from the Jeep, and we have it now in the garage. And it looks like this. I'm gonna give it a quick clean, and then I'm gonna paint it in the same gray color as the other stuff on the XJ. You know, like the rims, bumper, and so on. When it's fitted to the car, I'm gonna put a roof tent on it on top. And this roof rack has a little bit of a different setup than the roof rack that Fredrik will sell later on, because this one has a hinge that you can see all the way, so I can fold down this side, because the soft style roof tent that I'm gonna use is a fold out style, so it needs to rest on the bottom here and need to be folded out. So that's why we have a hinge here all the way. But I really like the design. It's quite slim, not so really tall. It's quite lightweight with a laser cut steel here. And you also have 360 degrees working lights and a big LED bar to the front and so on. So I really like this one. I'm really looking forward to fit it to the XJ and see how it looks like. Okay. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and take care. Bye.